perception of the world is largely shaped by the quality of your thoughts. If you start your day on a negative note, minor hiccups may feel more like disasters. A spilled coffee or traffic jam can make you feel like a victim of your own thoughts. By reshaping your mindset,